Okay, so this is my website, and I just wanted to show it to you. It's not the best website in the world, but it does do one thing, which is it answers questions that the client has. So we talk about process. We try to keep the client out of court. We do some family court as well, and we help people who want to be self-represented. But if we keep going down, you'll see how Galbraith Family Law can help you. So there's a whole bunch of resources, videos that explain that. Down here, some testimonials, and then there's some questions. You need answers. We have them. So there's a section on the children. So if we click on that, it just takes us to an area that talks about the children. And these are 10 different articles, or several different articles, I should say, about child-related issues. And some of them have videos in them. This is an article by one of my colleagues in Barrie, Sue Cook, a family professional. This is lessons I learned in my own divorce. You can see there's a couple of pictures of my kids before separation and since separation. So it explains my lessons that I learned during my divorce. Let's see what else we have here. We have resources. So let's see if I can click on this. We have a bunch of media. Let's see. There's the video gallery. There's just me showing up in different media over the years. Let's see if we go to the video gallery. So this is the video gallery. So we have, I don't know, probably 36 different videos that we've created over the years right down here on the website. And as you can see, they're all videos answering questions that clients might have about their situation. Some of them are a little bit old, before I grew my beard, which seems like an eternity ago. But anyway, here's one on collaborative practice. What is collaborative practice? So you can see in this video, I have some written stuff added on to the side, which really I think makes it more effective. So we also have several free ebooks here on the website, and they can download them, various topics, your children, your money, the divorce process, and so on. And so these are lengthy books that they can download as an ebook and have access to. We have descriptions of our lawyers, of course. If I can manage to get to that. Here's our descriptions of the lawyers in the firm in the Barrie office. And you can just click on a link, and it takes you to a much more detailed description of the lawyer. So here's Lynn's profile. She's been practicing since 1990. Her education, member of our community. You know, we try to make them personal to address what the client wants to know. We talk about keeping the matter out of court. And so there's another page there that let's see if I can get that page to work. Okay, so here's keeping things out of court, and there's a whole bunch of different articles as well that are associated with that, and explains the various process choices related to that. There's one on family court. So we do about 20% of our cases are family cases. Then there's a contact page, of course, which talks about next steps, how to drive to our place, directions, makes it simple for them. But you'll see almost everywhere there's a button here that says I'm ready to get started, and that's accessible throughout the website. When they click that, it should take them to a page where they can request a consultation, and that comes to us through Infusionsoft, and we talk to them usually within a couple of hours. A big thing that clients are always concerned about are reviews, and so we put testimonials that we've received right there, so that we update this from time to time as well. Another thing that you probably don't see too often is we have a question and answer section. I don't know, there may be some questions that aren't answered here. Let's see. But people can pose a question, and then I get online and answer it. Spousal support for life, whatever. So that's the website. And we've had a pretty good response to it because it helps clients. It answers their questions that they're concerned about. So I was starting to show you this one section all about the different things that we can provide. Money, how is it divided? Lifestyle, that's kind of the emotional journey of it. What happens next, the process, and again, there's lots and lots of articles on each section. Here's the process with a video and articles. Here's an article: lawyers make things worse, and so it talks about how collaborative lawyers don't do that. Some lawyers are peacemakers. So anyway, my point of this whole video is just to show you that this is really giving a rich resource to clients so that they can get many of the answers to questions that they have. Hope it's been helpful.